Hello everyone. In this question, we will be finding out the mode from the given data. So the data given here is in the form of cumulative frequency table, wherein the students getting the marks below 20 are 12, getting marks below 30 is 20, below 40 is 30, below 50 is 35, and below 60 is 40. So my first step will be to change this cumulative frequency distribution to a normal frequency distribution table. Let us do that. Now, when I say below 20 means 0 to 20. Because I see that the class intervals 20, then 30, then 40, then 50, then 60. So, whenever I'm finding out the mode, I need the class size. So, class size has to be uniform. So, I will take my first class to be as 10 to 20 and not 0 to 20. And the number of students corresponding to that will be equal to 12. Then the next class will be 20 to 30 and the number of students will be 20 minus 12, which is equal to 8. After that, we'll be having the class as 30 to 40 and number of students corresponding to that will be equal to 30 minus 20, which is equal to 10. Then we'll be having 40 to 50 and number of students as 5. Then 50 to 60 and number of students as again 40 minus 35, which is equal to 5. So this is how we'll be making the frequency distribution table. The class intervals as 10 to 20, numbers of students is 12, 20 to 38, 30 to 40 as 10, 40 to 50 as 5, 50 to 60 as 5, and the total sum hence comes out to be 40. Now I need to find out the modal class. To find out the mode, what is the modal class? The modal class is the class having the maximum frequency. The maximum frequency you can clearly see is 12. So the class corresponding to that, that is 10 to 20 will be the modal class. So the lower limit of the modal class L is equal to 10 and the class size H is equal to 20 minus 10, which is equal to 10. I need to find out F0, F1 and F2. So for that, first of all, I find out F1. F1 is the frequency of the modal class, which is equal to 12. The frequency of the class preceding the modal class is F0. So because there's no class before the modal class, that means F0 comes out to be 0. F1 is 12 and F2 is the frequency of the class succeeding the modal class. Hence, F2 is equal to 8. So knowing L, F0, F1, F2 and H, I will put them in the formula that the mode is given by L plus F1 minus F0 upon twice F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. L is equal to 10, F0 is 0, F1 is 12, F2 is 8, H is 10. I will get the value of the mode as 17.5. So mode is 17.5. It means that the maximum students have the marks as 17.5. So I hope this question is clear to you. Thank you so much.